name's JDM.
With a Z. Here we have a 2001 Mazda RX-7. So I was just smiling with AE Trading because I'm standing here just like this. I'm looking at the car and I'm like, fuck, this bitch looks good. It's something about the chrome lips, the carbon fiber, and the red seat with the blue that just fucks me up, man. I don't even like RX-7s like that. Like, if it's an RX-7, it's got to be a Vilside for me. For me. I don't even like how the Dorito bullshit. Like, I can't do it. But this car in particular is fucking me up. This car is fucking me up. I don't need it, bro. But God, I want it. This thing is super clean. Dumb clean. What is this? This is crazy. It's like heavy. This thing is fire, bro. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't need it, man. I don't need it, but this thing looks good. So I'll list in the on my website all like everything that's done to it, all the ins and outs, and Amemiya this and blah blah blah, and the TE37 is that, and yada yada yada. I'll go crazy on the website. Where's the thing at? What am I touching right now? What is that? Oh, I was like, yo, why am I touching that? Super clean under here. Our magic bits, intake, blah 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 blah. You already know the vibe. This thing is super clean. 95,000 kilometers is on this thing. Super clean. What's the underneath? So one thing about AE Trading, man, he sells to Japanese market. He sells to Japanese people. So 9 times out of 10, something like this is gonna be something that you keep for yourself. I know a lot of guys like to buy and resell, but he's not the type to like sell cars that you gotta fix up a lot. Like, you know, you might have your onesies and twosies that he gets on a trade that he's just like, yo, you want this? I'm like, yo, I'll take it. You know, and I'll sell it for you guys dumb cheap. But cars like this, you're not buying it to resell it. You're buying it to keep it in your stable type shit. So keep that in mind. AE Trading sells to Japanese people only. Every now and again, like today, he'll call me. He'll be like, yo, you want something? I'll be like, yeah, pause. Yeah, I'll take it. Yeah, I'll post a video, you know what I'm saying? So that's where we're at with this. This one is dumb clean, bro. Dumb clean. So if you need this one, let me know.